Hi, I'm Kate with OARS, and we're here to talk about camping on a multi-day river trip. After your day on the water, you'll arrive at a beautiful riverside camp, which may not always be a beach. And then everyone will assist in unloading the boats using a fire line. While your campsites may be different, the layout will be similar, with a kitchen area, a chair circle, multiple foot-operated hand washing stations, plenty of drinking water, sites for your tents, and of course, the scenic groover. The groover is our portable bathroom and will be set up in a secluded location. We pack all of our waste out. If you have any questions about the groover or how it works, you can check out our video. At OARS, we practice leave no trace. We want to leave these pristine campsites in excellent condition. So everybody comes together to help pack out the trash, recycling, and compost. After the boats are unloaded, you'll grab your personal gear and your sleep kit, and you'll go find your campsite to set up your tent. If you rent a tent from OARS, you will get a roomy, freestanding dome tent. If you don't know how to set up a tent, you don't need to worry about it. Your guides will give you a demonstration on the first night. If you rent a sleep kit from OARS, it will contain a sleeping bag, a sheet or liner, and a pillow in a dry bag. You will also get a sleeping pad, which may be different depending on the trip that you're on, as well as a ground tarp. While you set up your campsite, your guides will work on setting up the kitchen and the chair circle. The chair circle is our group communal area where everyone gathers to chat, have a good time, and enjoy their meals together. After you set up your campsite, you'll have some downtime before the guides serve dinner. During that time, feel free to go for a swim or take a bath, cast a line, read a book, or go for an exploratory hike. While you're relaxing, your guides will be preparing appetizers, and then will come dinner and dessert. After dinner, each guest washes their own plates and utensils, while the guides work on cleaning the rest of the dishes and the kitchen. At some point in the evening, the trip leader will talk about the plans for the following day. After that, you can relax, watch the sunset, read a book, or chat in the chair circle. As your day comes to an end, you can hunker down in your tent or sleep out under the stars. You'll start each day with a coffee call where you'll have hot coffee and tea ready for you, followed by breakfast. After breakfast, you'll break down your campsite, pack up your gear, and everyone will help with loading the boats so that you can start your next day on the water. If you have any questions at all about a multi-day river trip, be sure to check out your pre-trip literature, or feel free to reach out, give us a call, or email us. We look forward to seeing you on the river.